So here we have our rolls that are beautifully sliced and ready to greet the guests, because everything needs to be like perfectly served for the guests. Unlike these ones, which are just as yummy but they're ends, but I know who loves them and who will gobble them up. So come out, Nick, and this is your prize for being for being a diligent camera guy the whole day.
Which one is mine?
All three of them are yours.
Oh, great. Enjoy.
Mm.